7 worst foods for your skin. Are you eating these? Did you know that what you eat could make or break your skin's health? Some of your favorite foods may actually be dulling your glow, sparking breakouts, or speeding up aging. Let's uncover the 7 worst offenders harming your skin and explore skin-friendly swaps that will have you glowing in no time. Your skin is your body's largest organ and a reflection of what you eat. A poor diet can lead to inflammation, hormonal imbalances, or reduced collagen production, all of which take a toll on your complexion. Choosing the right food fuels healthier, radiant skin from the inside out. Sugar tops the list of skin health enemies. Foods like candy, pastries, and even bottled juices spike your blood sugar, triggering inflammation and breaking down collagen. This process, called glycation, causes early signs of aging like wrinkles and sagging. Reach for fruits like berries when a sweet craving strikes. They're rich in skin-protecting antioxidants. Do you love dairy-rich foods like cheese, milk, or creamy desserts? Unfortunately, excessive dairy consumption may contribute to acne. Dairy can stimulate hormones like insulin, which can promote oil production, leading to clogged pores. While not everyone is affected, cutting back may help with clearer skin. Try almond milk or dairy-free yogurts as skin-loving substitutes. Fried foods like fries, chips, and onion rings are drenched in unhealthy trans fats that fuel inflammation. Over time, this can aggravate conditions like acne or eczema. Plus, greasy meals may clog pores, making things worse for those with oily skin. Opt for baked or air-fried versions. Your skin will thank you. White bread, pasta, and sugary cereals may taste great but wreak havoc on your skin. These processed carbs quickly turn into sugar within your body, resulting in insulin spikes. This encourages acne flare-ups and accelerates skin aging. Switch to whole grain bread or oats, which provide steady energy and are skin-friendly. Processed snacks or meals high in sodium can leave your skin dry, puffy, and dull. Too much salt causes water retention, leaving your face bloated, particularly under your eyes. Season foods with herbs or spices instead, and make sure to stay hydrated to minimize salt's toxic effects. Alcohol is another common culprit that hurts skin health. Drinking it excessively dehydrates your skin, leading to dullness, fine lines, and redness. Over time, it can damage your skin's elasticity and vital nutrients. Keep alcohol minimal and hydrate with water-rich foods like cucumbers and watermelon instead. Foods packed with artificial colors, flavors, or sweeteners, think sodas or processed snacks, can irritate skin or trigger sensitivity. These synthetic ingredients increase inflammation and may lead to unwanted breakouts or flare-ups. Stick to whole, natural foods and avoid labels that list hard-to-pronounce additives. Not all food is the enemy. Build a skin-nourishing diet with colorful vegetables, healthy fats like avocados, and skin-healing proteins like salmon. Foods rich in vitamin C, E, and zinc can boost collagen and protect against acne. Hydrate with plenty of water for added skin glow. Small dietary changes can have a big impact on skin health. Eliminating sugar-heavy processed foods, greasy snacks, and limiting dairy or alcohol can drastically improve your complexion. Replace harmful foods with nutrient-packed, skin-friendly options for visible, lasting results. Now that you know the 7 worst foods sabotaging your skin, it's time for action. Start by identifying areas to cut back and introduce healthier swaps into your meals. Remember, individual results may vary. This video is for informational purposes only. Before making significant dietary or lifestyle changes, consult with your healthcare provider. Now it's your turn. What are your favorite meals, snacks, or tips for boosting energy and performing at your peak? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more evidence-backed strategies to live your healthiest, most energized life. Together, we can build a stronger, more radiant, and unstoppable version of you. Until next time, stay glowing, stay energized, and take charge of your best self. See you in the next video.